The life of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Honorable juries, teachers, committees, and all the participants, it is the great honor for me to join this English speech contest. In the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most gracious. All praises to be Allah, the Lord of the world, the Master of the day after, the Creator of everything in this universe. Mr. President, peace and salutation be upon our Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who was brought us from the darkness into the brightness and guided us into the right way of the life. Ladies and gentlemen, in this good opportunity, I would like to give a speech on the life story of our beloved Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. But I am wondering from where I should begin, at which point I should stop. The remembrance of the greatness of Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, no matter how much or for how long I speak, I know for sure that I would never satisfy the greatness of Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, no matter how many parts has said and what the historian has wrote. That would never fulfill his great biography, because Allah Himself has given witness and has praised in Quran as He said, Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam are on an exalted standard of character. Al-Mu'mineen Hazrat Aisha Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anha, when was asked about the character of Prophet, he said, he was just like Quran. So dear friends, it is our faith that the life of Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is like Islam. To love our Holy Prophet is a part of our religion, part of obeying Allah, and also it is the sign of being a good Muslim, having super condition in his faith. Muslims, even non-Muslims, should abide by the golden principle of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam if they want to live a successful life. Whosoever obeys the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, indeed he obeys Allah too, because obedience of Prophet is equal to obedience of Allah Almighty. Dear class fellows, this is our faith that the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the last prophet of Allah. Aqidah Khatm Nubuwwat is an essential part of our religion. Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was the last and great messenger of Islam. He not only united the followers through his faith, but also organized them as a strong political group to face the opposition. His followers fought several battles with the disbelievers. Dear friends, if we want the key to success, we should follow the entire life of our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. In the last, I would like to pray that may this speech be useful for us. Thank you very much for your attention.